Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do is some house cleaning here, just get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels still pertain, they're just not relevant right now. And from the presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 203-ish, right around there, is that one of the newest areas of support. But again, that level pertains. It's just not necessarily relevant. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and adjust this level up to more of a relevant level. What I would consider the ideal level of support going forward. And we have to ask, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up there above $2.25. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price falls below $2.25, that implies that the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay up above that level, then that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward on the bull's part. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 225 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? Initial level of resistance is going to be right up here at $2.45. If the price can push up through there, the next key level is just going to be simply where the party stopped today. That sits right up around $2.55. So keep an eye on those couple levels going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very, very nice movement. As long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher bases, that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.